Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there: how to send Ethereum from Crypto.com to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your assets across platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Kucoin, and that your Ethereum is ready to transfer. Security is key in crypto, so always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Head over to the app or website, and navigate to your wallet section. Find your Ethereum balance. That's where the magic starts. Step 2. Select the withdraw or transfer option for Ethereum. You'll need to choose the correct network, like the Ethereum mainnet, to ensure compatibility. Pro tip: always verify the network to prevent your funds from getting lost in the void. Step 3. Get your Kucoin deposit address. Open your Kucoin account, go to the deposit page, select Ethereum, and copy the wallet address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so handle it with care. Step 4. Back in Crypto.com, paste that Kucoin address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, and review any transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. You'll get a final review screen. Take a deep breath, double-check everything, and hit send. Once it's initiated, you can't undo it, so stay vigilant. After the transfer, Step 6. Head back to Kucoin and check your deposit history. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network, but once it shows up, you're all set. In 2025, crypto processes are getting even more streamlined, but remember, always use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys secure. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.